Hey Clubber, welcome back to another Campfire Classic, and in this session we're looking at none other than the big sing-along, no matter where you're at, for all age groups, Sweet Caroline by Neil Diamond. Right, this just it's taken over the world. Everybody knows it. If you're in down the pub or you're at a football game and they play it, everyone sings along, especially on the da 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 or so good, all those sorts of parts. All right, so we're going to have a look at it. You'll find it's fairly simple. 3 chords to keep it really simple. And I'm not going to do the full intro like you hear it on the record. That da 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 da. All right, for this version. All right, and then in the chorus we're going to do a couple of what we call single notes, right? Instead of playing the full chords, which are a little bit harder to play. All right, let's get into it. So capo 4, right? To keep this in the key of the actual song and to make this easier to get up and running. All right, so we're going to have a G shape. So I'm using easy change chords here. If you know the open chord shapes, by all means use them because that will give you a bigger, fuller sound. But as you know, they're a little bit harder to play. All right, so we got G to a C, reaching out and down. All right, and then we'll go on to a D. All right, so it's just basically 3 songs all the way through. All right, so for the intro, that's where it does that da 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 da. All right. So for now, all I'm going to get you to do, especially on this easy change version, is just do the strum pattern. All right. By all means, if you want to just run through these sections on their own to get them under your fingers, but just do down, 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 down all the way. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right, but the strum pattern we're going to use is down, down, so it's a down, 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 up, down. So down, 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 down. Okay, so that sort of simulates what is going on with that. Very close. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 down. Okay, so just play the intro with that many. So it's all what we got. 7 measures there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, before it goes into the verse. All right, to look at the verse, it's fairly straightforward. We've got 2 measures of G. So touching hands, 2 measures C, and then back to G, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. All right, which it does it a full 2 times. All right, as you can see on your chart there. All right, so we got G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. Full 2 times through. All right, so here we go. Let's get that locked in. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, right, so that's your verse. All right, comes up a few times in the song. All right, let's move on. Okay, let's look at the pre-chorus now. It's similar to the verse section. All right, we're going to do 2 measures of G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, to another 2 measures to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, go up to D for another 2 measures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. All right, so there's a little quick change right at the end there. So we got G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's the main section of the pre-chorus. The last part, slightly tricky because it's got that dun, dun, that part in. So we're going to do 1 measure D, 1, 2, 3, 4, then a split measure, but it's a little bit different because we got D for 2 beats, 1, 2, and then C for 1, D for 1. Right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so a little bit quick change there, but it's fun to play. All right. So that just those last 2 measures of the pre-chorus is dun, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Keep it little, just those down strums there. Don't worry about trying to put the strum pattern in just yet. All right. So that whole pre-chorus section with the strum pattern would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically all I'm doing there is just on that 3, 4, that C, D, that's where I just do down strums. I wouldn't try and put any other strum pattern with that, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I might even like leave that, just that measure, just all down strums. It won't hurt. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Probably sound best that way. All right, so putting that all together, that pre-chorus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, such a great lead-in into the chorus, which we're going to look at next. All right, to play this chorus section, we're gonna combine strumming with a couple of single notes, but we'll cover that in detail in a second. The chords, basically G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's the first half. So, sweet Caroline, 2, 3, 4, money melody is so good. All right, so good, so good. You can add that part in. All right, so we got G, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sweet Caroline. It's the same as that little last measure, or last 2 measures in the pre-chorus. All right, so far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my bad again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we're just doing down strums on that last measure. All right, Then we repeat that G, G and those 3 measures to C. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right. So what I'm doing now. So that first, the third line of your chorus, it's exactly the same as the first line of the chorus. All right. No need to go over that again. When we get to the D, it's a series, from here on, it's a series of split measures, but we're just doing the D chord, we strum that, and then I'm going to put my middle finger, on the 5th string, string 5, at fret 3, and just pick that note. Right? So that's the C that's written on your chart there. And then after that, I'm just going to go do, with my 1st finger, same string, 5th string, or the A string, at the 2nd fret, pick that, the single note, that's the B, and then I'm going to pick the open A string. Okay? So, what we got? So, D, just like that, which finishes the chorus. So we got D, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, and if you're playing these easy change shapes, what I recommend is keep these fingers 3 and 4 there. Don't take them off to do the single. So that'll feel like you're going straight to your C chord, basically, and then into your like E minor chord where you put your 1st finger for that one before you go to the open A's. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Alright, so putting this whole chorus together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, is so good. Alright? Now, don't feel that you must get that down correctly. Like if you're just getting going, just let that D ring out and in the group we'll have other people doing that. Right? Good one to practice, but don't freak out if you can't get it. Because it's control with his hand. You're coming off a chord and have to hit that single string. So the way I would practice that would be just to practice D and just play that first note to get used to my fingers on my fretting hand moving into this position, and then coming for this hand coming back out and hitting that string. I would just repeat that over and over again until it starts to feel comfortable. Okay? Alright, let's do the chorus one more time through. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, and that's basically it. All right, so put those sections together. That's pretty much the song right there. A couple of little twists and turns, but like nothing you can't handle with it. That's the main part that you need to play this song. All right, see you on the next one.